I've heard this quote a couple of times. Usually people quit right before they get to the starting line where their success begins to happen. And I think it's important not to do that. This year has been a roller coaster, and it's been filled with challenges and obstacles that have really tested me in ways I never thought were possible. I found myself working for a company in the NFT and metaverse space, and let me tell you, it had its fair share of rough times, you could say. But through it all, I learned that every downfall is just a stepping stone towards a new rise. Unfortunately, that job came to an end, and I was left wondering what was next. Here's the thing. Amidst all the chaos and uncertainty, you find strength. That's why I'm here today, sharing my story with you. I wanted to document this journey, this messy middle. I'll get to that later. I'm actually reading a book called The Messy Middle right now, and it's very helpful. It won't be easy and it won't be pretty most of the time, but sharing stories that aren't pretty, we can inspire and we can uplift each other. I'm going to share my progress, and it's going to be real. And I want to make sure that as I do, I can be helpful to other people like you guys who are trying to learn along the way. I'm building something new. I left my company and now I'm building another one. And I'm excited about it, and I'm going to talk more about it. But it's important that you see the whole process, the whole messy process. And a lot of people have trouble moving on from the hard times. And it's the hard times that get you to the good ones. And if you keep putting in the work and doing the work for real, and not just talking about the dreams, but really living in them, I think you're gonna get everything that you could have ever dreamed for. And it's starting to work for me. It's starting to work for the people that I love. And I can't wait to share how that happens. Again, subscribe, and I will be sharing more videos like this soon.